Imagine this. You're eating just 2 or 3 satisfying meals a day, feeling energized and watching the pounds melt away. No more calorie counting, no more crazy restrictions. Does that sound like the dream? Well, it's actually possible with the 16-8 method. Let's dive into how it works, how to start, and the amazing benefits it can bring you. First things first, what exactly is 16-8 intermittent fasting? It's a form of fasting where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. It's simple, straightforward, and one of the easiest fasting methods to follow. Here's how it works. You eat all your meals within an 8-hour window and fast for the remaining 16 hours. This means that during the 16 hours of fasting, you don't consume any food. However, water, black coffee, and herbal teas are perfectly fine. Now, you're probably thinking, why should I fast for 16 hours? Well, here's where the magic happens. Intermittent fasting, especially the 16-8 method, has been shown to provide some serious benefits, like when you fast, your body starts burning fat for fuel instead of relying on glucose. This helps you shed those extra pounds without extreme calorie restriction. Many people report feeling more energized and focused throughout the day. Once your body gets used to the fasting, you'll notice a boost in your overall energy and mental clarity. Not just weight loss. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, help with blood sugar control, reduce inflammation, and may even lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. All right, so how do you actually get started with the 16-8 method? Don't worry, it's simple and doesn't require drastic changes. Here's your step-by-step guide. First, pick an 8-hour window that fits your schedule. For example, if you're someone who wakes up late or doesn't feel hungry in the morning, you might want to start eating at 12 p.m. and finish by 8 p.m. Alternatively, if you like an early breakfast, your window could be from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. The choice is yours. Then, if you've never fasted before, you might want to ease into it. Start with a 12-hour fasting window, say 8 p.m. to 8 a.m., and gradually increase it to 16 hours over the next couple of weeks. After that, focus on hydration during your fasting hours. Drink plenty of water to curb hunger and keep your energy levels up. You can also enjoy herbal teas or black coffee without sugar. But remember, no food during the fasting period. Likewise, pay attention to what you eat during your 8-hour window. Choose balanced meals that include lean proteins, healthy fats, fiber-rich carbs, and plenty of vegetables. Avoid overeating or indulging in processed foods, which can counteract your progress. Before we move on to some more advanced tips, let's talk about common mistakes people make when starting 16-8 intermittent fasting. First, it can be tempting to eat everything in sight after fasting for so long. But remember, overeating defeats the purpose. Stick to balanced, portioned meals. Next, dehydration is a common issue that leads to fatigue and hunger pangs. Make sure you drink water consistently throughout the fasting period to stay refreshed and focused. Finally, while fasting may suppress your appetite, don't skip meals or neglect essential nutrients during your eating window. This can lead to sluggishness and potentially harm your health over time. Now that we've covered the basics, let me share some tips to make your 16-8 fasting journey even easier and more successful. To begin with, consistency is key. Try to stick to the same fasting and eating window every day for better results. Then consider your exercise routine. Intense workouts are best scheduled towards the end of your eating window. If you exercise while fasted, stay hydrated and refuel immediately after. Lastly, always listen to your body. If you're feeling unwell or overly fatigued, take it easy. Intermittent fasting should feel natural, not forced. All right, there you have it. Starting the 16-8 intermittent fasting diet is simple, effective, and can bring amazing benefits for weight loss, energy, and overall health. The best part? You don't have to give up your favorite foods. Just eat within that 8-hour window, and your body will do the rest. If you're excited to give this a try, drop a comment below and let us know what times work best for your eating window. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips on health, fitness, and nutrition. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.